Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that, and I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, I am live from my living room in Alaska. How are you doing? Just wanted to get on for a few minutes and see what's going on. And I'm going to show you. I have a beautiful blessing right here, and I'm going to show you right now. There is my rainforest right outside my beautiful living room right here where I sit. So it's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about that. Every morning, really, I'm very thankful that I have that in my living room. Make sure you can see me good. So I just wanted to get on and say, hey, see how you guys are doing. Let me know how you're doing on a Sunday. I would love to know what's going on with you guys and where you're from and, you know, how your Sunday is going. I am just thankful for mine. I got this email today. I got this in my email today, and there you see it. Congratulations to Cheryl Traxler for $500 in my bank, in my Stripe account. And you can see that right here on I printed it out so I could show it to you. And I just wanted to say about this. It's not about the money. It's about what the money can do for you. That's what it's about. I mean, my kids call me all the time and they ask me how I'm doing, what's going on, do I feel okay? I mean, they're so precious. My kids and my grandkids, by the way. And it's so amazing. They care that much, and they call me, and they're always asking me. In fact, my little granddaughter called me the other day. And, of course, her mom helped her because she's 3. And she got all dressed up and put lipstick on and everything and said she wanted to talk to her friend, and she wanted to dress up and talk to her friend, of course, her granny. That is so sweet. It just melts my heart that they love me that much, that they care so much. It's such a blessing, and that's why I have this. That's why I do this, because it gives me that. Well, my kids call me, and they want to make sure I don't go out too much. I stay home. They don't want me to get anything, and so they're very, very kind, very loving. They call me and let me know, how you doing, Mom? You know, don't go anywhere. That's what they tell me, especially recently, because actually my kids, both of my kids have COVID, and their spouses, and one of my grandkids. So now they're even more, they did that before they got it, but now they're even more careful and calling and loving about me not going out. And the beauty of that is, you know, I don't have to go out. So it's such a huge comfort to my kids because of that too. So it's not about the money here. It's about what it does for you. Because my kids are comforted by the fact that I can do what they want me to, which is stay home. I mean, I don't want my 90-year-old mom going out either, right? You know what that's about. You don't want them to catch it, the COVID, right? And so I'm just thankful. My kids care so much and brighten my day all the time by checking on me and calling me and texting me, and it is truly a blessing. I praise the Lord for my family and all. They are so sweet and kind during this 2020 year. They're just so sweet to me and kind, and I'm thankful for that. I'm so thankful for their blessings. And it gives me courage, and it gives me that strength, right? And it also gives me the ability to stand firm and not be afraid, right? And to be on guard, because my kids are so strong and so amazing, and my grandkids, and I'm just so thankful for that. And I encourage that for you, because I know everybody's going through stuff. I know that. And I just wanted to get on and tell you what's going on with me, and see how you guys are doing. I don't know where you're tuning in from. Let me know. I'd love that. I mean, you know, like, it's icy and snowing out, right? And I don't want to go out there and clean my car off. I don't want to go out there in the ice. My kids don't want me to, right? They don't want me to slip at my age, huh? So, you know, it's fine. I work from home. I don't have to go out. So it's a blessing on so many levels, and I'm so thankful for that blessing. And I just wanted to get on here with you and talk to you a few minutes and let you know and what I'm going through and what's happening, what I do. And I just thankful today, so thankful this Sunday for family and for blessings. And I just appreciate you guys getting on. Thank you. And if you get on later, just hit hashtag replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I would love that so much. So you guys have a wonderful Sunday. I appreciate all my Facebook friends. You're so uplifting and encouraging too. And I'm really thankful for that. It helps so much, guys. So be happy, be positive. Do not be afraid. Face every day with that confidence. And I appreciate you watching. Bye from Alaska.